'69 Tornado that the owner says again 600 horsepower. This is another guy that says he's got 600 455 front wheel drive,
Tire smoke.
tire smoke, front wheel drive smoker,
Yeah.
with power windows, air conditioning, and just a great looking car.
It is good. You know, the cowl hood and the sweater on the back.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
you know what
Just
it's
to get a
not-
better, we'll put this down. But yeah.
That tells you it's not a sleeper anymore.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a dead giveaway. That's very cool. I've never seen one done like
No, it looks like that. I really.
It's so different. It's cool. I even like the vinyl top color.
And even if it sits there for a week or whatever, 2 weeks, and somebody wants to hear it run, you just fires up like that. A good restoration, an older restoration, again, something that hasn't had very many miles since. So in the last 20 years, this one maybe has had 200 miles on a 1961 T-Bird, 390, professionally restored. We would assume that it's probably the numbers matching.
Is it that it's kind of that pale blue?
Yeah. It almost looks white, doesn't it? Looks
Yeah,
like faded white, but no, it's
That's a cool color to have.
faded. Yeah.
These bullet birds are highly underrated.
Actually,
They are, and they look good.
Yeah.
I mean, these look like afterburners.
Yeah,
Not like
this is that 60s space age one.
Yeah.
In the next file.
Yeah.
Always like.
I like the door handle as a part of this.
Yeah, that's almost like a custom feature.
Yeah.
Very surprised that made it so they're the only ones that can do that. Super soft, right?
Yeah.
Super soft.